Welcome to this video on AI and machine learning. We will cut through the hype, debunk common myths, and discover the real foundations of modern AI so you can make smarter, more confident decisions in your projects. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI.
AI is everywhere, but it is often misunderstood. Every week, headlines claim it will change everything, but the reality is more nuanced. This video will help you understand the real definitions, recognize myths, and make better technology decisions.
In this video, we will cover the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning, debunk common myths, explain what drives AI, look at its real-world limits, and discuss how to move from hype to successful action. Let's begin with Chapter 1, the Big Three. Understanding the distinctions between AI, machine learning, and deep learning is essential for thinking clearly about this technology. Artificial intelligence is the broadest category. It refers to any technique enabling a computer to mimic human intelligence. Think of it as a label on a box. It describes the goal, not how it's achieved.
Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of following hand-coded rules, these systems learn patterns directly from data. They build their own internal model to map inputs to outputs, allowing them to make predictions on new, unseen data.
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses layered neural networks. It powers advanced applications like voice assistants and autonomous driving, but it requires significant data and computing power to work effectively. This diagram shows how they nest together. Deep learning is the most powerful layer, but it is just one slice of the much larger AI landscape. Understanding this nesting relationship is crucial for AI literacy. Now for Chapter 2, Myth Busting. Some of the costliest mistakes in AI come from bad assumptions rather than bad technology. Let's correct the record. Myth number 1, AI thinks like a human. In reality, AI systems are sophisticated pattern matchers that perform complex math, not actual thinking. Anthropomorphizing AI can lead to misplaced trust and poor design choices. Myth 2, AI is always right. The truth is that AI models can make mistakes, such as hallucinating incorrect information, failing due to distribution shifts, or amplifying existing biases found in their training data. Myth 3, more data always means better AI. Actually, data quality and relevance are more important than mere quantity. Additionally, larger data volumes lead to significantly higher costs in storage and compute. Myth 4, AI will replace all human jobs. Historically, technology transforms work rather than eliminating it. AI is typically used to automate specific tasks while augmenting human skills and creating entirely new job categories. Myth 5, you need a PhD to use AI. While it used to require deep technical expertise, current tools like AutoML and foundation models make it accessible. Today, problem definition and critical judgment are far more valuable. Finally, Chapter 3, what actually drives AI? Strip away the mystery, and 3 core ingredients remain: data, math, and compute power. No magic is required to build effective AI systems. First, we have data. It is the raw material that fuels machine learning. Without quality, well-labeled data, a model cannot learn effectively. The way you collect and label your data fundamentally defines what a model can achieve. Next is math. At its core, AI is about mathematical optimization. Through processes like gradient descent, models iteratively adjust their parameters to improve performance. Fields like linear algebra, calculus, and statistics provide the bedrock for this. Finally, we need compute power. Training modern models, like large language models, demands massive resources. It involves thousands of specialized GPUs running for months, resulting in huge energy consumption and high financial costs.
These 3 ingredients must work in harmony. Great data with weak algorithms or powerful compute with poor data will lead to mediocre or failing results. Successful AI requires excellence across all 3 dimensions.
Moving to Chapter 4, what AI cannot do. Recognizing the boundaries of AI is just as vital as knowing its capabilities. Ignoring these limits is a primary reason why projects stall and budgets are wasted.
AI cannot reason from first principles. It excels at recognizing patterns and training data, but lacks a causal model of the world. It cannot deduce novel answers logically from scratch. Always ensure human expert review in high-stakes scenarios.
Furthermore, AI can't guarantee fairness. Because models learn from historical data, they often replicate human biases. At scale, this can amplify harm. Ongoing auditing and diverse datasets are essential to maintain accountability and minimize discrimination. AI also cannot reliably explain itself. Most deep learning systems act as black boxes. Their internal decision-making is not truly human interpretable. This creates significant challenges for regulated industries that require transparent and auditable decision processes. This balanced view shows that AI has clear areas where it excels and where it struggles. The most successful strategies lean into these strengths, while carefully designing human-in-the-loop structures to manage the inherent limitations. Now for Chapter 5, From Hype to Reality. How do you cut through the marketing noise to avoid costly mistakes? We will look at how to build projects that deliver genuine, measurable value. To spot AI hype, look for red flags. Claims that AI does everything, a lack of transparency regarding training data, an over-reliance on academic benchmarks, or the absence of clear documentation about how a product actually works. Common mistakes include solving the wrong problem, underinvesting in data quality, and skipping simple baselines. Remember, if a basic rule or lookup table solves your problem, you probably don't need a complex AI model. Use this 4-step framework. Define the problem, assess your data, benchmark against simpler alternatives, and plan for long-term monitoring. If an idea doesn't pass the initial screening, don't invest resources. To build effectively, start with a narrow, specific use case. Prioritize high-quality data over complex models, keep humans involved for oversight, and measure success through business outcomes rather than just technical accuracy. To wrap up, AI is not magic. It's a tool. Understand the nested levels of the technology, respect the real limits, maintain a healthy skepticism toward hype, and always start with focused, data-driven goals. You now have the foundation to succeed. You are now ready to move from hype to reality. Use the frameworks we've discussed to evaluate AI opportunities in your own organization and stay skeptical of overhyped headlines. The ability to ask the right questions about data, tasks, and failure modes is your most valuable tool for shaping the future of your industry.